Today on Exploring with the Eggerts, we're going to be doing so many different adventures, starting with traveling all the way out in our adventure vans to southwest Utah. And then we're going to head over and go mountain bike riding in Gooseberry Mesa. Followed up with Thunder Mountain, an amazing sculpted landscape just like Disneyland's Thunder Mountain ride. And then we're going to head back over to Zion and go canyoneering through Keyhole Canyon. So stay tuned as we explore the southwest Utah with Explore with the Eggerts. Hurricane, Utah. This is one of Gary and I's favorite places to be. In fact, we even spent part of our honeymoon here. Hurricane is next to Zion National Park and home to Gooseberry Mesa. To get there, just continue on Highway 15 from St. George and then head over to Highway 9. If you want to head out to that area and beat the crowds and get free camping on BLM land, there's a great campground known as Sheep Bridge Trailhead. Morning, Holly! Woo. Got her coffee in hand. That's why we bring the van. Well, that and many other reasons. How'd you sleep last night?
Wonderful.
Yeah?
That's a lot.
Okay. Yeah. Mark put her in the front of the van?
Sort of. I was in the back of the van.
Oh, really? On the big bed?
Yeah.
Wow. Nice. I was in the back of the van too. That's where the guys put us girls. After a great night's sleep, it's time to hit the trails on one of our favorite mountain bike riding spots, Gooseberry Mesa. Y'all ready to hit Gooseberry again for the third time? First time? First time?
First time.
You excited?
Take us to the ramp.
walking. Whoop! Wow, you want to stop?
Have a little campfire right there. That'd be cool. Hopefully you won't be drinking. Yeah, it's a non-drinking trail.
Okay. This is interesting.
I don't think the cows can go through that.
Yeah.
Spent the last year chasing myself. Take me to a better place where love's something else. Though it's wrong, running high. Am I the only one left now? Aren't you tired of always being around? Like you're stuck everywhere. You keep it to yourself.
Oh, nice! Beautiful!
The only thing that's left for me. It's not that I want more.
Keep going, love. Keep going.
I only need it. I can't believe it. You fell on me. Did I cut you out by letting you leave? Maybe a little too much drama in your dreams. So I lost you again. You keep it to yourself and your innocence.
Huh?
The only thing that's left for me. It's not that I want more. I don't need it. I can't believe it.
Oh my goodness gracious. Wow.
You fell on me. You fell on
How'd you like it, Holly?
Oh, it's awesome. This is awesome.
Gary, Tammy?
Woohoo!
Very awesome. A good point.
Can't get a better view than this.
No, well, if that one mesa wasn't in the way, it'd be better, but
Aw, Gary got a flat. He's riding like a maniac. Surprised it didn't happen earlier. Oh, skew.
only one that brought a pump. And it's a small one.
So it's gonna take some time. Normally you'd be doing this to John's bike.
I know.
Can you tell John we miss you? We wish you were here.
So, you got two
Yeah.
with you?
Yeah. Is it that bad?
Oh, look at that. I wonder if you cut it.
It's hard to get it on the rim part. Alright. Let's see.
Bucket. Poor Gary. Bob, you gonna give it a try? Woohoo! Made it back.
Woohoo!
Woohoo! And Gary made it back.
Woo!
That was a close call.
Coming our way.
Yeah, and by the way, I know I haven't been on the film the whole day, so hey, I am here. It's been a great day. Woohoo! Yeah, that's such an epic ride. So now we're going to head up to Bryce Canyon National Park and camp out overnight and continue the adventure tomorrow on Thunder Mountain. Make sure you don't miss our next adventure by subscribing to our YouTube channel or visit us at our website at explorewiththeeggerts.com.